In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your anti-malware service is experiencing a really high amount of CPU or disk usage on your computer. So this should be a relatively simple fix for you guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Left click on the Start button one time. Type in Windows Defender. On the best match, it should come back with Windows Defender settings. Left click on that one time. And now on the right side underneath protected areas, there should be something that says virus and threat protection. Left click on that. Now the underneath virus and threat protection, you want to go underneath versus virus and threat protection settings. Left click on versus manage settings. Scroll down this page until you get to exclusions. Windows Defender Antivirus won't scan items that you've excluded. Left click on versus add or remove exclusions. Left click inside where it says add an exclusion, and then select file. So on the left side, you want to left click on where it says this PC, and double click on your local disk where Windows is installed on. Double click on it. Then left click on Program Files. Go down to Windows Defender. Double click on Windows Defender. Locate something that says Msmpeng right here. And once you've selected that, you want to left click on where it says Open. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on Yes. And if you give it a moment here, and once you're done with that, you should be able to close out of the Windows Security window and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.